kids, what are you both up to?
We're just playing a Spider-Man game on our tablets.
Do you want to go to the beach?
Can we bring our tablets?
No tablets at the beach. It's a beautiful day outside. You won't need those silly old tablets to enjoy it.
Bowling!
Oh, come on, kids. We're going to have so much fun. How about we start by both of you helping me pack for our day?
Okay, Mom!
The first thing we should pack is some protection from the sun.
We got web slingers. We can thread these webs at the sun.
No, silly. The sun is very bright. We want to protect our eyes and our bodies.
Oh, I can bring this lovely hat.
Ooh! And I have these very fancy sunglasses.
Oh my goodness! Who let these movie stars in our house?
You two look great! Hats and sunglasses are great items to help protect us from the sun.
Yeah!
Okay, it looks hot outside. The next thing we should bring are drinks to help keep us hydrated while we play.
Can we bring these delicious sodas, Mom?
No, Bingo, not today. Let's try something else.
But the fizzy bubbles tickle my nose. They're so sweet. Please.
Let's pick out a drink that has less sugar in it for today.
I found these super cold waters.
Those are perfect. Excellent choice. Water has no sugar and will keep us very hydrated on this hot day.
Yeah!
Let's pack some healthy snacks in case we get hungry. We shouldn't be there long, so we don't want anything too heavy that would spoil our dinner.
Look, Bluey! I found leftover pizza and French fries. Let's bring those.
Bingo, Mom said we should bring healthy snacks. I don't think pizza and french fries are healthy. Plus, that food will be heavy on our stomachs.
These aren't heavy. I can lift them up myself.
Not heavy like that. They will fill us up and we won't want to eat dinner.
How about we bring a watermelon and a banana? These are healthy.
Oh, yum. Those are good options.
Great choices, kids!
Yeah!
I think we're all set for our beach adventure. Let's get going.
Well, did you both have fun today?
So much fun.
How about you, Bingo?
It was great! I can't wait to play on my tablet when we get home.
Thanks for watching It's Story Time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you would like to watch more Bluey videos, please check out the links in the description below. Now get out there and play.